Question 16. Okay, so we're given sort of like a blank circle with a triangle in it, and we've given these corner points of the triangle BCA and nothing else, right? But we are told in the following circle the diameter BC is 10. So we're actually told that BC is the diameter. In other words, it goes through the center of the circle. Okay, and we're also told that it's 10. Okay, of course it has to go through the center, doesn't it? This line BC has to go through the center because they've told us it's a diameter, and we know that's 10 centimeters. We're also told as well side AB is 6 centimeters. Okay. Calculate, now this roof above it here, right? Calculate angle BCA. Okay, that's what that roof is above there. Calculate angle BCA. In other words, BCA is this angle here. Okay, so we'll call it X, right? Okay, C is in the middle, so the angle at C, and we'll call it X. You might be wondering how to do this. You might be thinking, can I use trigonometry? Right, because it's an angle and it's a triangle. Remember though, with a trigonometry, it has to be right angle, triangle. And if you remember from the other paper, okay, we looked at circle theorems in paper 004. We looked at circle theorems, and we realized that if you've got a diameter here, okay, the angle formed here is indeed a right angle. Okay, so that is a right angle, and you can use trigonometry. So using trigonometry then, because that's a right angle, you know that's your hypotenuse, okay, because it's the longest side against the right angle. This is your opposite, of course, because it's opposite the angle given, the one we want. And of course the other side then is your adjacent. Now when it comes to finding the angle, two sides we need, of course, O and H, isn't it? They tell us what O and H is. O and H, that's the ones we're going to use. So don't forget then your mnemonic, SOHCAHTOA, TOA. Which one are we going to use? Which one? Of course it's the SO, isn't it? The SO, because it's O and H. So you've got sine X equals opposite, which is, remember now, going in that order here, sine equals opposite of hypotenuse, so sine X equals opposite, which is 6, over the hypotenuse, which is 10. Okay, and then, of course, to get your X, you've got to sort of think about taking the sine over the other side. You've got to, when you're finding the angle, you've got to do that sine to the -1 thing, haven't you? Okay, 6 over 10. Get your calculator. Is it going to work for me? Yeah. So I'm going to press, to get sine to the -1, don't forget you press shift, sine, and it comes up for you. Use the fraction button then, 6 on the top, 10 on the bottom, close that bracket, and it comes up with my angle, 36, and I'll round it to 1 decimal place, 36.9. Okay, job done.